Welcome to myNIME, your insurance management platform designed to streamline your workflows and keep you compliant. This guide will walk you through the steps to get started with your account, explore key features, and understand your role-based functionalities as a broker. Let's get you started. myNIME is an all-in-one insurance management platform that helps you streamline policy oversight, certificate of insurance tracking, create and submit quotes, and claims processing. With myNIME, you can minimize financial risks, ensure compliance, and automate your insurance workflows all in one place. myNIME is built for property managers, HOAs, co-op boards, insurance brokers, and vendors. Here are some of the key features myNIME has to offer. Centralized management. Streamline all insurance operations on one platform. Quotes management. Create, submit, and track the status of each quote. Automated COI tracking. Never miss an expiration date again. Claims management. File and track claims easily. Risk analytics and reporting. Get real-time insights into compliance gaps. Vendor and tenant compliance. Ensure everyone has valid insurance coverage. Instant messenger. Communicate instantly with property managers and building board members. Let's get started with registering your account. Check your inbox. Look for an email from us with the subject "Invitation to join myNIME." Click on the registration link. This will take you to the registration page. Create your password. Follow the prompts to set up your password. If you're the first broker from your company, you'll set up your company profile. If you've been added to an existing company, you will be prompted to just set up your name and password. Launch the myNIME app on app.myNIME.com. Log in. Use your new credentials to log onto the platform. Once connected to a building or company, you'll receive a confirmation email titled "Manage Building on myNIME." When you log in as an admin broker, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your central hub. Here you'll find key metrics, total number of buildings assigned to you, open and closed claims. From this page, you can also manage your company, start a new chat with your stakeholders, and see the recent buildings added. You can also customize the viewing period based on what you are looking for. Instant messenger. Quickly chat with other users like property managers and building board members. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the navigation panel with the following sections: dashboard, company management, building management, unit insurance, insurance policies, quotes, claims management, vendor risk, transfer, reporting. You can also access the notifications, chat, and profile settings. Click on any section to access these features. Now, let's set up your profile. Click your profile picture or name in the bottom left corner. Open Profile menu. Select View Profile to see your details. You can add or change your profile picture, update your email or phone number, change your password, enable two-factor authentication for extra security. As an admin, you have the ability to manage your company's details. Click Edit to modify company name, deactivate it, or add a new image. Add new users by entering their details. Send invitations for them to complete the registration process. In the building management page, you'll find the building information. Each card shows the building's name, address, number of units, insurance status, and an option to view it on a map. Click a building to open its overview page. Here, you'll see full building details, active insurance policies, and recent claims. To manage claims, navigate to Claims Management. Select a building to see the claims table, showing ID, status, amounts, and more. Click Add New Claim to fill out the incident report, including necessary details and documents. As a broker, you have the ability to fill out additional claim information. Update claims with the policy loss, run information from carrier and adjuster. To manage insurance policies, go to Insurance Policies. See the status and details of active policies and how many days until their expiration. Click. See details to review policy information, coverage, financials, and associated claims. Click on Add Insurance Policy to add new policies to the building. Fill in the policy type and all the other details and click Send. All the users associated with this building will receive a notification for this addition. You can create, manage, and view quotes under the Quotes section. On the main quotes page, you will see pending, approved, or expired quotes with coverage and premium details. You can also view and download historical data for approved quotes. Now, let's walk you through creating a new quote. To begin, click on Create a New Quote to open the quote creation page. Here, You will have two options: creating your quote manually or upload documents and let AI do the work for you. To make use of our Smart Upload feature, scroll down to Click to Upload, upload your document, and let the system analyze and fill in all the policy details automatically. Check that everything is completed and click on Send to make it available for review and voting. To enter a quote manually, first give a title to your quote and select the associated building. Now let's add policies to your quote. Click on Add Policy, and a pop-up window will appear. Here, you can choose the policy you want to include in your proposal. You'll also need to enter the start and end dates for that policy, which will determine the active coverage period. The next step is to start adding different carriers or options. You'll be able to fill in the coverage details and AM Best rating for each carrier. Once you've filled in all the details, click on Send. Your quote will be available for review and voting by all roles involved. As a broker, you also have the ability to edit the quote up until the moment of voting is casted. Any changes you make will automatically be updated for all roles, ensuring everyone has the latest version of the quote. The Vendor Risk Transfer section helps you manage contractors. In the vendor dashboard, you can view top metrics, such as the total number of contractors, pending reviews, and approved vendors. Here, you have a centralized view of all contractors by their name, scope of work, COI status, whether it is pending, not approved, expired or approved, expiration date, and coverage limits. To add a new contractor, click Add New Contractor and fill in the required details, including scope of work and insurance documents. Unit insurance helps you track and manage unit owner policies. On the main page overview, you can see the percentage of insured units and track their status. You can upload or enter unit insurance details manually or in bulk, approve, request changes, or view status of insurance submissions. Use the reporting page to track claims, policies, and upcoming vendor insurance expirations. See the number of claims and total incurred costs, visualize premium versus losses, and stay ahead of vendor COI expirations. You can also create and export custom reports that you can share with all your stakeholders. You are now ready to use myNIME. With this guide, you can now register and log in, manage users, buildings, and companies, handle claims and insurance policies, create quotes and approve vendors, communicate in real time with your team. And lastly, with the help of myNIME, become a trusted, sophisticated partner broker for your HOA building boards and property management companies. Welcome to myNIME, your insurance management solution.